Today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 296 different strategies, with 91 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 190 of the other strategies that we have put it up against. Every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,011 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. And so the source of video says new indicator combines EMA with MACD for 100% quality entries. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of it. Now, even though it doesn't explicitly say 100% accurate, it does say 100% quality, which may lead some people to believe that it's saying a 100% win rate. And so of course we know that no indicator, no strategy is going to be 100% all the time. Every strategy, every indicator is eventually going to take some losing trades. And so just to be clear right off, but again, we're going to go ahead and put the strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. We'll hide those two indicators. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the EMA scalping indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And what we'll do is jump into the settings on this, and the look back, we will change that to 5. The EMA input, we're going to change that to 100. And the look back high low, or HL, this one right here, we're going to change to 2. Go ahead and jump into the style settings, and you're going to turn off this close, the shape, and the MACD. Everything else can stay on the default. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the UT bots alerts, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen, and this one will stay on the default settings, so everything as you see here. If not, go ahead and change them to the settings and click OK. I do believe actually on this one we changed the key level right here to 5 to slow down some of the signals. And so alright, so what we're looking for a short trade is we are looking for a sell signal like this from the UT bots indicator. When we get that sell signal, we're then going to look down to the scalping indicator, the simple scalping indicator here at the bottom, and we want the background to be red like it is right here. When that lines up, this is going to be our signal to enter into a short. Put our trade right here, our stop right above this pivot, and we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. You can see that it makes a pretty consistent push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is a buy tag like this here, buy signal from the UT bots indicator. And then we're going to look down to the scalping indicator, and we want it to have a green background like this here. When those line up, that's going to be the signal to enter into a long. I'm going to put our trade right there, put our stop just right below this pivot, and target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And again, a pretty consistent push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 12 winning trades and 38 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 24% win rate. The 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $7,200. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Total drawdown would have been $15,200 for an overall loss of $8,000 altogether. So not a great combination of indicators. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 54 trades altogether. We had 43 winning trades and 11 losing trades, putting it at a 78% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, total gain would have been $25,800. On the losing side, you would have lost $13,200 for an overall gain of $12,600. So significantly better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we keep track of the trades the Academy of Forex indicator has signaled. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 8 trades altogether. We had 3 winning and 5 losing trades, putting it at a 37% win rate. It would have been a drawdown of $2,500. On the crypto coin, we had 3 trades, 3 winning trades, and a 100% win rate would have been a gain of $1,800. For the week, we would have been down $700, and at the 30-week total now, we would have been up $48,330 over 238 trades. And so really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. You see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the equity there. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.